Yo, what's up guys? Today we're doing a cool video where we're gonna do an experiment. So basically what we're gonna do is, right now it's like really cold in the negative somewhere. So basically what we're gonna do, right now I'm boiling this water, and so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour it outside. Just pour the whole thing of boiling water and see what happens. Like maybe it I don't know. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. I just spin a little bit, and so far it's just, as you can see here, it's kind of bubbling, but it's not quite boiling. So I'm just gonna have to wait a little longer. So yeah, it's almost ready, guys. It's pretty much boiling.
Let's see, you ready?
Alright. Whoa! Yo! Oh, that was so cool! Guys, got the second batch. Here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh. Oh my gosh! Oh, dude!
Crystal.
Yo, that was so cool! Wow! Dude, it was like, bro, I feel really nice. Woo! Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, let's go. What's gonna... Alright. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. It's like steam. Oh my gosh, bro. Last one. The whole pan. Oh! Oh my gosh. What the heck? It looked like icicles were just falling down. That was awesome. That was actually really cool.
Oh my god.
Yo. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, guys. That was crazy. Shout out to my dad for doing this. And it's super cold. I'm freezing cold. But that was a lot of fun. So HBCT out.